Can you please sign my cube, please? Just a sign. That's all I want. No? Okay. Hey, will you please race me? Like, come on. I'm like averaging like 15 seconds. It'll be so much fun. Come on. Yo, wait, is that the new Mo? Can I try it? Thanks. Whoa, my goodness, that feels so amazing. Thank you, bro. Hey, please, will you watch my YouTube video? See? Look. Oh, wait, I don't have Wi-Fi. I'll come back to you later, bro. I promise. Oh, this? Well, see, man, that's because I'm going to the Olympics for blindfold solving. Ow! Dang it, man. Thank you so much for watching. These are like all the props I used and this massive mountain of clothes. Yeah, if you didn't notice, I got dressed in every single one. So, yeah, thank you. Like and subscribe.